and I'm feeling the ceiling. I'm screaming, I'm dreaming, I can't believe it. How did this sport got brought into my court? I ain't playing the sport. Maybe there's a whole bunch of imps sitting on the limbs, planning the next move meant for me to make. Straight into a mistake, playing a simple fuck up the cake. Brain bread they bake, serving the next leader, burning green cold as evil, telling me to talk to seagulls. For the next round, turn me into the saddest clown and jump the fuck around all over the town. What I'm talking about is my walkabout. Wanna grab the fat rail and follow me down. Now in my brain, the trash be insane. A roller coaster, a sandwich toaster. Got compulsive thoughts that I don't share with anybody. Now they throw another scream. Psycho was unseen. I scare myself sometimes. I need help forever. Finally, I luckily get my chips together. Cause I got a trick. Slap myself with a brick and break all my fingers till I know.